Hey, hello everyone. I think you are IB student and want to understand how to solve the past paper, or you are practicing the past papers and preparing for some summative or final exams or mocks, whatever you want to prepare. And I hope this video will be helpful for you. This is a May 2025 AAHL question number 4, paper 1 questions. So in this video, we're going to consider the probability and answer the question for 6 marks worth. So first of all, it's 6 marks and 2 points, 3, and let's start to consider this video. It's given that consider events A and B such that P of not A is equal to this one and equal. It's quite confusing, yeah, but you have a formula booklet, yeah, and now we can use the formula booklet to find all the answers here. Let's do that. So first of all, we see that we have this data, okay? So I want to underline to this formula because it's given in the formula booklet, right? So A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus the intersection, probability of their intersections, okay? And it says that P of not A is equal to also 3/4. By the way, it's also 3/4. Okay, now what we can deduce from the second row? From the second row, we can deduce that P of A is equal to 1 minus P of not A, right? So we can say that it is 1 minus 3/4. So that P of A is equal to 1/4. So this is the main conclusion. P of A is equal to 1/4. Okay, now we can use the this value in our formula here, right? We can use it here. Okay, let's use it straightforward. So we can just plug 1/4. We will use in that formula. So here, yeah, I will continue it here. This one, yeah, we don't need this first part. 1/4 plus P of B minus the intersection is equal to 3/4. 3/4. Okay, so it says that we have to find P of A intersection B. So this should be found, right? Now we can express it straightforward. Minus P of A intersection B is equal to 3/4 minus 1/4 and minus P of B. Okay, and now after simplification, we will get 1/2 minus P of B. Now we need to find P of B. Okay, we don't have any information more. We have only another piece of information that give us the conditional probability here is P of B given A is equal to 2/3. That's why let's use it. Let's use it, the formula of conditional probability. So yeah, let's use it. I'm going to make this part is smaller. I hope this was clear and fine. You understand everything now. And now let's turn to use the formula of conditional probability. P of B given A is equal to, according to the formula booklet that you can look at the formula booklet, you can find that P of B intersection A over P of A, right? And it is equal to 2/3. Okay, what do you see, guys? What do you see? Here it's P of A is equal to 1/4. 1/4. Okay, now we can find the intersection. So let's use it, guys. So P of B intersection A is equal to 1/4, 2/3. And now that's how we will get probability of BA intersection A. So it is 2/3 times 1/4, right? So it's after simplification, we will get 1/6. 1/6. So the answer of part A is 1/6. So this is the final answer. And for sure, to get the 3 marks, you have to proceed all these steps. Okay. So now that's how we got the part A. So now I'm going to erase the part A, and now let's turn to the part B. In part B, it says show that events A and B are independent. Okay, so do you remember the condition of independency? It's given in formal booklet, by the way, so you can use it. P of A intersection B is equal to P of A times P of B. If this is true for this case, the two events are independent, and for sure we have to show that it is true. So let's plug all the values that we found. Probability of intersection is equal to 1/6. So the left hand side is 1/6, and the right hand side is P of A, as we found, is 1/4 times P of B. P of B is equal to P of B is equal to what? We don't know. We don't know actually what's the value of P of B, but we can find, yeah. But we can find. So remember that P of A intersection B was 1 over 6, yeah, 1 over 6, and P of B will be equal to 1 over 2 plus 1 over 6. So let's find it. So 6 here, 3, 4 over 6. So 4 over 6 here. So now we can reduce, and the left hand side will be equal to the right hand side. Okay. So again, we have considered the probability problem in the past paper. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please show your reaction. Write the comments. What part of the question is maybe unclear for you? I suppose it is the second part, but I hope you will get this by yourself. If you have any gaps, please approach me, write any comments and questions. I'll be happy to record the video on the question in your comments. See you on the next lesson or video. Goodbye.